YouTube? Tonight is the night before the Snowmageddon is supposed to hit us. Tomorrow, they've already closed where I work at noon. Ahead of the snowstorm, schools have already been canceled for tomorrow. They're already canceled today, but they're canceled for tomorrow already. And we're expecting up to 2 foot of snow where we're at. In this area, it will shut it down. It might as well be cement. I don't know what would shut it down. I'm so tired. It's midnight. Got that good sound of the washing machine finishing up the cycle there going in the background. This is stellar stuff. Oh, what is up? Giving you an update. We're at 4 inches. We're supposed to get 30 plus inches now. It's going to be unbelievable here. We don't get this kind of snow, so we don't know how to act. We don't know how to handle it infrastructurally. I think that's a word. Infrastructurally? Yeah, we don't have the infrastructure. We don't have the vehicles to plow all the side roads and back roads that we have here to keep us all able to move. So we're going to be sitting inside for a couple days. We're going to get stir crazy. It's going to be a little bit of a shining situation, I think. Not really. No one's going to die. I don't think. Having some chicken noodle soup. Here's the soup part. The noodles. Are the noodles made yet?
They're cooking.
Oh, you didn't make those.
I made them.
Mommy got
it was hard.
I used to make my own noodles.
I feel like maybe you did that one time.
Many times, like at least 2 to 3 times. It was like twice. It was like twice. It was at least twice. Which is pretty much a lot of times. This color in. I like it. It's like a tattoo.
I was an artist in my previous life.
It looks like a tattoo. Look at that, how hard the wind's blowing. Boy, does that look fun to go out in. Truck's getting covered.
Why do you smell like a fajita?
Your mom smells like a fajita.
I know, that's what I just said.
But I said it with conviction. I think we've showed everybody your Ninja Turtle game that you got for Christmas. She got the Nickelodeon Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles game. Do you like this game, Grace?
No!
No? You don't like it? Yeah. She's gotten pretty good at it.
You can break out the boxes and you can see there's like a special surprise in it. It's like a surprise box.
Yeah.
And you don't know what's in it. Sometimes there's nothing in it. Sometimes there's some.
Nice work.
Nice work, evidently.
Spin.
You're going down.
There it is. Bam.
Oh yeah.
Take that.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, hey, you punching me, boy?
Daddy's gotta go with his soup. Blowing all over the screen. Is it deep?
Yes.
It is really deep, huh? Look at that. Well, it's up to my knees, so that's pretty deep. The wind is whipping. We're supposed to have 20-something mile-an-hour winds, up to 30-something in gusts. We still have, I don't know, 6, 7 more hours of this. So it's gonna be deep. It's gonna be very deep. It's hard for Gracie to walk around. Holy smokes. Yeah, it's up to my knees now. It is completely up to my knees. Oh my gosh. This is a heavy snow. This is not just powder. It's gonna take me a while to dig this out. Up the side of one of the cars. My truck is down there.
I'm gonna put you down.
Go down.
Gracie's gonna get in your face.
You only made it down like halfway. I'm not gonna keep the camera out here too much longer. I don't want to ruin it. I got a lot of shoveling to do. Luckily, there's not a lot right here.
so I can take a picture of you guys.
Trying to block the camera. Oh, oh man.
That's what it's all about. Nice.
Cannonball. What kind of cannonball was that? You didn't even leave the ground. Alright guys, if you guys are, whoa. If you guys are out, I almost fell off the steps. If you guys are out in the storm, let us know how many inches, feet you got. I can't wait to see all the videos from everyone, the pictures, everyone in the storm. It is really, really deep. Whatever it's, so I think we're probably about 18, 20 inches right now, which is a significant snow in Virginia. We don't get snow like this all the time, at least on the eastern side. It's beautiful though, it's very cool. Look at that wind whipping up.
Help me!
I need to get the camera back in before it gets ruined out here. Did you have fun out there?
Yeah.
Is that fun in the snow?
Yeah, but my nose is all wet.
Is it all wet and cold?
And it's so... My nose
We're gonna have
is
some
okay.
hot chocolate. My nose cold? Is it cold?
No, it's hot.
I wanted it to be cold. That would
No.
have been funnier.
No,
You ruined the
I'll
bed.
Put your chin on your nose.
You'll put my chin on my nose? That will hurt. Your chin is cold.
Yeah.
Were you excited?
My face got wet.
The 5.5 seconds you were out there?
No.
Were you like, woo?
Dude, what if exams get canceled?
You know what else is amazing? My kick. My
They
kick.
will not get canceled. They may get postponed a short bit, but they will not.
What?
Oh, you trying to be like a donkey kick
They will,
expert?
They've done it before.
You want to see some donkey kicking? Watch this.
Let me try to do that.
I like Gracie's turtleneck.
I want to try that.
Really stylish.
You can't get this. Watch this. What?
They can't even see
I can do
Watch
that. What?
What?
I can do that too.
What? Let me see.
What? Oh!
Look at my shirt.
Can't do nothing.
Nobody cares. We're doing donkey
Pilot.
kicks.
My shirt is way better than your donkey kick.
Donkey donk. You want me to show you some moves?
Here you go, Gracie.
Ooh!
You're hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
You had hot chocolate.
I want to
Roasted.
I don't want it in my.
I want a marshmallow.
Yeah, we have red velvet marshmallows, red velvet cupcake marshmallows. And I've noticed that every kind of marshmallow we get, like Skylar said, they all taste the same.
Whether it's pumpkin or red velvet, they all taste the same.
Yeah, I think the best tasting ones though are the original, because they don't try to make it taste like something else. I
So
don't
then
know.
it's not a fail, like the rest.
Exactly, the rest are fails.
Oh,
How is it? Is it good? Did you have fun in the snow?
yeah.
Yeah? You need a napkin under there. It's time to go. We're gonna wrap this up and it's gonna be dinner time soon. What are we having for dinner?
Did you see my finished product?
Oh, we gotta look at the finished
My
product.
Snowmageddon picture?
Get it over here in the light. Sheena's been coloring
It is
to
relaxing.
ward off the stir craziness that we get. That's cool. I think you should be a professional colorer.
All the first graders in my school, they
They would be
think so,
impressed.
too.
They would be super
They pretty
impressed.
much think I'm a professional.
That's the end of this vlog. Till next time, we'll see you. Bye. You're supposed to say bye.
Bye.
Doing this for a year, you rookies. Alright, there's one thing I do have to do, and that is go wipe the air conditioner unit off. Oh no, I can't get it through the fence. Oh, this ought to be interesting. I can't get over the fence. That was not how I wanted to do that. All right. Whew. Whoa. Look at that mess down there. Pretty deep. Need to try to get this thing out so the weight doesn't ruin the air conditioning unit. Really winded for a runner. I think it's a little easier to get over here. Whew. That's not comfortable. All right. The boat's really covered. All right, guys. You guys say Blizzard 2016. 16. All right, guys. I'm gonna wrap this up.